Hi, this is Marty for the Dougherty Garden, and we're in the back work area. We're working on this little by little. The bones don't work as good as they used to do. I'm just getting off a few minutes of cleanup time, trying to get rid of most of the weeds, which are 2-3 feet tall in some spots, with seed some, so I'm trying to get a lot of them pulled out before, so we can make this a true work area. I'm collecting my mulch. One of these days I gotta get my mulch. I had a very bad experience with Lowe's just a week ago. I lost a $50 gift certificate because of their computer system. Thank God I was able to capture the conversation I had with them, but my $50 gift certificate is conveniently kept in Lowe's. I don't have access to it because I use the codes and everything to buy perlite for my little garden here. Unfortunately, I don't have no perlite, and my gift card is in limbo at the moment. The only one that has it is Lowe's. And they were not too friendly on the phone trying to get my money back, or at least access to it. I don't want the money back, I want to buy product. So with that in mind, we just get back to my garden area. We just sort of figure out how to handle that. I have to get back at them somehow. $50 just don't go south for that. All right, anyway, this is the garden, and we're looking at area. I'm taking most of the weeds out so I can go over here and look around. Right now I just relocated a lot of the Hawaiian tea plants, one marginetta plant and an anthurium. That's a red one over there, I don't know the exact name. And there's one of my little palm trees. It's a shade area only. As you can see, a little strange looking thing, but it's been there for years, so it apparently loves the area. Maybe I'll put it in the ground one day and see what happens. But that's it for now. I'm hearing thunder in the distance, so this was time to just get my first video up today. And this is basically my maintenance area. So this will be a maintenance video, and it'll be the first one in September of 2021. So thank you for stopping by. Any comments, any suggestions, we're all ears. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye.